Hello everyone. Today I talk with my daughters in my car when going to the party, and now we talk together. Okay, you say hello with together.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, and you can say you can talk about your group in your school.
My group.
Okay, so louder.
My group don't have any name.
Yeah. You say louder, and you sit up and say louder.
My group have about 20 members.
Yes, and the members.
Have two brothers.
Two brother and any
Two brothers.
yes, and another one is girl. Oh,
Yes.
oh my God! There are only two boys in your group. Really?
Yes.
Oh my
They
God!
always play with girls. They don't like boys. Sometimes.
You say louder. Okay. And what's his name?
The first brother name is Anne.
An, yes. And the second?
Brother name is Dad.
Yeah.
He sits with me too, and his nickname.
You say louder. I can hear anything.
Dad have a nickname that is Dog.
Dog. That is nickname. That's nickname is dog. Why so?
Because he always beat every
Bite, not beat. Bite.
member.
Oh my God, really? And you? What's your nickname?
And cat.
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 Why so?
Because I always
You say meow.
no,
Yeah.
to have food.
Okay. You can say in Vietnamese.
Because I'm the smallest.
Excuse me.
Group.
Excuse me. Can you say it in Vietnamese when you say meow?
Meow cho một miếng đi.
Say louder. I want to hear you.
No.
Okay. So sweet. So funny. You say louder. Say again, please.
Meow cho một miếng đi mà.
Oh my God, so sweet. Oh my God. Okay. Right now, I know why everyone said called you meow. And why so? Anything else? You are lazy, like meow.
Yep.
Mhm.
I'm the smallest
Yeah.
member. Smallest member.
Smallest. You are smallest members in your group.
What? Have any time you see cat and dog sit together?
Oh my God! Sometimes I saw when they sit together, we always bite together.
Dad with me.
You
with
and Dad? You and
with
Dad?
Yes.
Oh my God, so funny and sometimes you and him bite together.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Because sometimes
You and Dad like I and my husband. Oh my God! Look, traffic jam. Traffic jams. Oh my God! Too late. You hungry? Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay. Say goodbye together. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. And now outside traffic jam and it's raining, but I can move. I want to turn right. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Bye. See you.